There was a lot to celebrate Wednesday afternoon at Stepping Stones Museum for Children. 15 years of children learning through play in Norwalk.
The museum is really grounded in the community, and we've been listening to what different community members and families and parents and teachers want. And we started with a smaller museum. Eventually in 2010 we expanded our footprint, so we have more space in which to put on these amazing experiences that really promote learning through play.
Of course, it wouldn't be a birthday party without singing. Lots of birthday cake and a special surprise guest.
Stepping Stones has become such an amazing part of Norwalk. So many families come here on a regular basis. My grandchildren come here all the time. And it's become a destination not only for Norwalk, but for surrounding communities.
The museum's director of learning and experience says a lot has changed at the museum since the first guests stepped through the doors in 2000.
Norwalk has changed and grown, and Stepping Stones has always been a partner in that change and in that growth, whether it's growth in the community landscape or growth and change in the school system, and what topics and content that teachers are focusing on. So we're excited to always be at the table and help by providing informal learning opportunities, enhance the experiences of everyone in the community.
You can learn more about Stepping Stones Museum for Children by visiting steppingstonesmuseum.org. Reporting in Norwalk, I'm Kwajerba Crawfey for It's Relevant News.